So if Remove.bg is showing a processing error in 2026, yeah, like your image just won't load or it gets stuck halfway, don't worry. This is usually fixable in a few minutes. First, refresh the page and try uploading your image again. A simple reload often fixes temporary processing issues. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. Weak or unstable internet is one of the main causes of processing errors. Now check your image file. If it's too large or high resolution, try compressing it before uploading. Make sure your image is in a supported format like JPG or PNG. Other formats can cause processing to fail. If it still doesn't work, turn off ad blockers or privacy extensions. These can block the processing scripts. Now switch to another browser like Chrome or Edge. Some browsers handle Remove.bg processing more reliably. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Old or corrupted data can interrupt processing. If nothing works, open Remove.bg in incognito mode. This gives you a clean session without extensions interfering. And that's it. One of these fixes should solve Remove.bg processing errors and get your images working again.